Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do something a little bit more different. I have a different quality now since I got my camera, thanks to my baby always supporting me. And well, today we're gonna start off with the makeup, and today I'm doing more like a soft Christmassy looking makeup. So let's see how this goes. I know right now my face looks bare skin. I don't have anything at all. I'm starting off with my makeup and I'm so excited to. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna start off with my primers. These have been my go-to lately. The one from Paris. And this has been my go-to lately because my skin has been getting really dried up since in the winter, so I like using this one mixed with this one because this one covers your pores really nicely. It makes your face really perfect, like poreless, like baby butt perfect. So yeah, usually what I like to do is just dot it everywhere that I know that I get really dry, mostly everywhere in my face. So just remove my hair from my face. I love whenever I put primer on because it helps a lot with my face. I feel like the moisturizer going through my face and not making it so dry like it was without a primer. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this one with the NYX Angel Belle. I know it's expensive, but you guys, I really do recommend this Angel Belle primer. It's so good. I love it. It's just amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. With my Catrice concealer, this one right here, I really love their concealer in the color orange to cover my dark circles. And it does cover my dark circles really good because I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at this. It's terrible. I have not been sleeping lately. I don't know why. Like, I will fall asleep whenever my husband goes to work and whenever he's sleeping too. But I don't know, you guys. Like, I go to sleep around 12 at night and I don't know. I just keep thinking a lot of things that I have through my mind and so many emotions and so many stuff that I want to do for my YouTube video now. Because I did saw some people message me and commenting on my videos. They were like, can you do something different? And then I was trying to come up with videos to see what I could do for my content to be better. See, okay, but I put on my foundation and I was not even recording. But the foundation that I use is this one. I like it. It's so perfect for my face. The shade, I picked it up, I tried it on my hand at Walmart, and then I got it and it was the right shade for me, so you know. And so I like to dot it everywhere, this foundation. This is a matte foundation, by the way. It's not like one of those dewy foundations, but it goes so well on the skin and it doesn't give you flashback. Like, that's why I love about this foundation, because it doesn't give you flashback at all. And you know we don't like flashback whenever we try to take a bunch of selfies. Concealer, I'm gonna be using this one. It's by Maybelline. I know it has like the marks everywhere from the stickers, but I couldn't get it off, so I'm gonna twist this little top off. You can actually get this at Walmart. I think it's like $7, I think. It's not, I would not say it's one of my favorite because it's really not. I just use it, you guys, because I have some other ones, but I don't feel like getting them because as you know, on my Instagram and Snapchat, I did change my room now. So my makeup is literally like all over the place. I am waiting for my IKEA drawers to get here, and my baby's gonna make me, of course, he's always, supporting me with my makeup stuff. But my vanity, because he's actually gonna make the top and stuff like that, and the mirror too with the light bulbs and everything. I'm like so excited because he surprised me with my first vanity and he always keeps supporting me. So I know I did the other side really quick, but I wanted to show you guys how it would look. So I wanted to do like a little quick sneak peek how it was gonna come out. So this is how the whole look came out, And oh my gosh, you guys, I love these lashes. They are by Allure Theory. Oh my gosh, they're absolutely gorgeous. The eyeshadow palette that I used today, I don't know why am I clapping. There's no reason for me to be clapping, but I don't know, I just love clapping. By the way, look at this shirt, you guys. I love it. It's like absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, the palette I'm gonna be using is this one by Beauty Creation Tease Me. And the eyeshadow that I'm gonna use first is this one called Lies. It's like a really light beigey color. So I'm gonna take that eyeshadow and just blend it in all over the eye, just to start off with the base. So it could, the eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply next, it could appear a little bit more lighter. So I always take like a lighter shade to my eyeshadow for the base. So yeah, so right after I'm done with that, I always say that, those are my words. Right after I'm done with that, okay, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna take Nudes. This one, this is like a, okay, let me just hide that mirror. This is like a nudie pink, so I'm gonna take this on my crease area only and blend it in. So I'm gonna add it here to my Facebook, the public page that I have. You can like my page, and you can also get you can hit the bell so you can get notified every single time I go live on Facebook. That way you can get notified, you won't miss any of my live videos. So yeah. Okay. So okay, right after I'm shading in really nicely and stuff like that, I'm gonna go a little bit more with it. It's called, which one did I took? Oh, Pleasured. This one right here. It's like a really peachy pinky color, so I'm gonna take that for my crease area as well, and in the outer corner of my eyelid, just to darken that, and also in the inner corner of my eyelid as well, just to darken both of the sides, and I could get like kind of that halo look at the end. That's how it's looking, you guys. Okay, look at my brow though, like it looks so thick. Okay, next I'm taking Innocent to darken off my eyeshadow a little bit. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so this look, it's a little bit too easy, you know, like I'm used to it, almost doing it every single day. Whenever I'm feeling lazy and I don't feel like doing too much glam, I usually go with this look, like a really softy peachy color or brownish color. I would usually do this. So yeah, so next, right after I'm done with that, I'm gonna take Kiss Me. This one, it's like a really gorgeous, you can use this actually for your highlight as well, and it's absolutely amazing. Look at that pigment though. I love this palette. It's so nice. I love the pigment out of this palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, even the shimmer. So I'm gonna take Innocent and Pleasure together so I can put it on the outer, these two at the bottom of my waterline, so I can darken this part. I always like to darken this part at the bottom. It makes my eyes appear a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna take my favorite mascara by Revlon, the telescopic, okay, mascara, and just adding this mascara to my top eyelashes and to my bottom lashes, just a little bit. The lashes, I'm gonna be using this Allure Theory lashes. These lashes are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look at the packaging, like it's insane, and it says lashes camera action. Yes, and they're 100% cruelty free, and I'll leave their link down below in the description box so you guys can go check their lashes out. But these lashes, you guys, look at them. Look how gorgeous and beautiful this lash is. But this is how the lashes look. They look absolutely amazing, gorgeous. I just love them. Like, this is actually my first time ever trying this brand of lashes, and I fell in love with them. So, okay, you guys. So this is the whole final look. Wait. Let's not forget about the setting spray because I was literally forgetting about that. Okay, so let's spray our face everywhere. The whole final look. I hope that you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the little bell so you can get notified every single time I upload. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys like this video, and please don't forget to comment, DM me, whatever you guys want to do, whatever you want me to do next. I'll be happy to get some ideas from you guys so I can upload it to my content and make my content a little bit more fun. So please feel free to message me or anything like that. I'll be happy to hear your ideas. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. By the way, you guys, I did wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So this is the outfit. You can either take the jacket off or you can just wear it like this. I really like it because it's just with my eyes and my makeup. So yeah, and then these are the shoes. I absolutely love these shoes. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they have a clear heel, which I am so obsessed lately. I don't know if you guys have seen that on Instagram, but this is my whole outfit, you guys, and I hope that you guys like this video. And please, again, don't forget to subscribe and leave me any messages that you guys want to see next. And you can also follow me around my Facebook, leaving that whole stuff in the description down below. So you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can go ahead and do that. I'll be happy to do so you guys can entertain with me and see all that good stuff. But anyways, you can see me like all the way in the back. But anyways, you guys, oh, and I have my door open. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.